Make a great choice today with the 2018 GLC. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.